Have you ever experienced a back pain after sitting for long hours? Working on a computer? Or doing repetitive tasks? That's what we call ergonomic back pain. A type of discomfort or injury caused by poor posture, repetitive movement, or improper workplace setup. So tara, matuto tayo!
BSME Safety Guide Part 1.
So, what is ergonomic back pain? Ergonomic back pain happens when our body is forced into an unnatural position, especially during work. That isn't caused by one sudden injury, but rather from continuous strains in the muscles, joint, and spine.
There are several types of ergonomic back pain. The first is muscular pain. It is caused by prolonged sitting or standing that strain our back muscles. So the second one is postural pain. From slouching, leaning upwardly, or hunching over a disc. Repetitive strain pain. Due to continuous tasks like lifting, twisting, and bending. Spinal pain. When improper ergonomics put too much pressure on the spine, leading to condition like herniated disc or sciatica.
Causes of ergonomic back pain. This includes sitting too long without any breaks, using desks or chair that don't support proper posture, lifting weights incorrectly, repetitive movements at work without stretching, and lastly, poor workstation design, like a monitor too high or too low. And results of ergonomic back pain. Ergonomic back pain may lead to chronic back problems that may affect your daily activities. Your productivity at work may cause some fatigue, discomfort, and stress. And in severe cases, a long-term spinal injuries requiring medical attention.
The good news is, ergonomic back pain can be prevented by improving your posture, sitting on a proper workstation, and taking regular training stretch. You have to take your back and stay healthy. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Okay. This is Jake.
This is Jitam.
And this is Michael.
And we are your safety reminders buddies.